Hello everyone, and welcome to my Mama June Show Today channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Fans of Mama June are going crazy after witnessing Jessica Chubbs Shannon perform a repulsive thing on an animal. She looks after her nieces and nephews, showing that she has matured as a person. She did, however, once have a wild side, and it was obvious that she inherited it from her mother. So what was it about her that was so disgusting? As Jessica Chubbs Shannon has aged, she has changed. She assisted in raising Josh and Pumpkin Effort's kids after moving in with them. Although Jessica lost the ownership to her car due to their mother's addiction, they all felt duped by Mama June. She was eventually able to leave Pumpkin and Josh's house and begin a new life. It turned out that Cheyenne McCant, the woman she claimed to be living with, was actually her lover. After Jessica came out to her family, they were incredibly accepting of her way of life. Jessica was preparing to ask her brother-in-law to be a donor so she and Cheyenne could have a family before Josh and Pumpkin broke up. Jessica needs more time, but Cheyenne is prepared to settle down and be married. Naturally, the past 18 months have been very difficult due to Anna Cardwell's stage 4 adrenal cancer. Their world was turned upside down when she passed away in December 2023. Recently, a video of Jessica has surfaced again, and it presents her in a very negative way. She is not for the timid, as evidenced by the way she makes out with a giraffe. She was having fun in this photo from the Here Comes Honey Boo Boo era, but Reddit users found it repulsive. Watching that almost made me throw up. Especially Jessica. That much drool. Nobody said that Chubbs was normal, in fact, she might be the worst. This is almost tantamount to sexual abuse and demeaning to the animal. I was genuinely sick to my stomach. A marathon had been airing when fans called out unsettling acts by Pumpkin that matched Jessica Shannon's level of severity. Before frying the hot dogs, she seemed to be biting them into pieces. The camping episode when Jessica and Pumpkin are preparing a multi-meal for the family and Pumpkin is spitting chunks of hot dog into the pot is my favorite. Deceased. Pumpkin is disgusting. Have you watched any of the TLC episodes of Honey Boo Boo that aired yesterday night? There was an instance where they went camping and she used a hose to take a bottle and pissed in it. After they departed, she left the bottle affixed to the campsite sign. Absolute garbage. It appears that they were all giving spectators the creeps, but one thing that stood out was how Jessica looked like a child. Mama June ought to have been more aware of their terrible habits. But at least Jessica became a respectable woman because she was equally filthy and vulgar. According to In Touch exclusively, Caitlin Shannon, the daughter of Anna Cardwell, requested in court to be allowed to stay with her grandmother Mama June rather than being forced to move in with her late mother's former partner. In Touch was able to get court documents that show Caitlin, 11, submitted a declaration in the custody dispute that Anna's former husband, Michael Cardwell, was bringing. On December 9, 2023, Anna departed from this life due to cancer. Mama June petitioned for emergency custody of Caitlin after her death. She stated that she was unaware of Caitlin's father's identity. More recently, the mother and child began residing with June, approximately 1 month before her passing, the lawsuit stated. June stated that Caitlin would benefit from living with her full-time. The reality personality requested custody of the kid be granted to her by the Georgian judge. June requested emergency custody, and the court granted it, but it also scheduled a hearing to decide on long-term custody. A few days later, Michael requested custody of Caitlin from the court. Michael and Anna have an 8-year-old daughter named Kylie. Since Anna's passing, Kylie has been living with Michael, while Caitlin has been living with June. Michael informed the court in his plea that the two youngsters shouldn't be divided. He claimed that throughout his marriage to Anna, he assisted in raising Caitlin. Furthermore, he asserted that June and Anna had a sordid connection. June was against Michael's proposal. When Michael resided in Alabama, he only visited with Caitlin at most once per month, sometimes going 3 months between visits, June stated in court records. June refuted Michael's assertion regarding her relationship with Anna, saying, June and Anna had a stable parent-child relationship, aside from one brief period of disagreement. Caitlyn has spent her childhood seeing and spending time with June regularly, her attorney went on. However, since at least 2017, Michael has only occasionally been involved in the child's life. Michael claimed he reared the 11-year-old, a claim June laughed at. Eldridge Toney, Anna's widower, was the only father figure in Caitlyn's life, according to her. June claimed in her motion that Michael had abused her daughter physically. According to her filing, it would not be in the child's best interests to be in Michael's care and control because during his marriage to Anna, Michael frequently physically abused Anna and the child. Donald Lewis Roberts, Michael's lawyer, has already responded to the allegations. Michael refutes these accusations, he stated. All of these accusations against him have never been made before. When they were married, he and Anna had a wonderful connection, they only divorced because of personality and opinion issues. He went on, they had a good relationship with him and his family and had managed to get along throughout the divorce as well. They have always stood by each other for their kids, and we'll see what evidence Ms. Shannon has, if any, to support these kinds of allegations, these extremely serious allegations, to make against someone. I am electing and hereby expressing my desire and intent to reside primarily with my maternal grandmother, June Shannon, Caitlyn declared in her new declaration. I would like not to have scheduled time to visit Michael Cardwell. I also wish to speak to the judge to inform the court of my wishes, the woman continued. June also sent a motion to the Department of Family and Children's Services asking for records. According to her, the agency may have records that are pertinent to the case. According to her, the data is relevant to the cases that are being heard in court. June requested that the Department of Human Services give the court permission to view the data. When Anna Chickadee Cardwell passed away on December 9, 2023, from stage 4 adrenal cancer, her two daughters, Caitlyn and Kylie, were by her side. But after the TLC star passes away, who will be granted custody of the girls? The oldest child of Anna was Caitlyn Elizabeth Shannon. Born on July 26, 2012, she was 11 years old when her mother passed away. The father of Caitlyn was never identified in public by Anna. The youngest child of Anna Cardwell was named Kylie Madison. She was born on December 9, 2015, and on the day her mother passed away, she turned 8 years old. Michael Cardwell, the ex-husband of Here Comes Honey Boo Boo star Anna, is Kylie's father. The two were wed from 2014 to 2017. Prior to her passing, Anna had the opportunity to witness Caitlyn's elementary school graduation and Kylie's first-grade graduation in May 2023. She posted on Facebook, saying, I am one proud mama right now and I also can't believe I am going to have a middle schooler and a second grader. Please give me a moment while I go cry uncontrollably. I am incredibly proud of my daughters and all that they have achieved. On December 12, 2023, TMZ claimed that Caitlyn was placed under the care of Anna's mother, Mama June Shannon. Because of their extremely close bond, the website stated that Mama June plans to become Caitlyn's legal guardian. Following Anna's passing, Kylie is supposedly living with her father. TMZ claims that this strategy was implemented at some point following Anna's January 2023 cancer diagnosis. Eldridge Toney, whom Anna wed prior to her passing, is said to have intentions to continue being active in the lives of both kids. According to In Touch, Michael sued Mama June on December 17, 2023, for custody of Caitlyn. According to court records obtained by In Touch on December 19, 2023, he claimed to have fully and completely undertaken a permanent, unequivocal, committed, and responsible parental role in Caitlyn's life and to have engaged in consistent caretaking of the child and established a bonded and dependent relationship with the child. He mentioned that he had grown close to the preteen and that he still paid for Caitlyn's education. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't miss any update.